Here's your At Your Seat paper for week number 33. Today we're composing two-dimensional shapes or three-dimensional shapes to create a composite shape and compose new shapes from the composite shape. Number 1. What shape could be made using these two shapes? So you've got to use your imagination here and move those shapes around and connect them, kind of like we're building. What could I make with that new shape? Or what could I make with those two shapes? Could I make this shape with those two shapes? Could I make that shape? Or could I make that shape? Now remember, you're going to have to use your imagination and move around those shapes to make a new shape. Once you figured it out, color in which letter you want and write the letter on the line. Number 2. What shape could be made using these two shapes? Those are those two shapes. Look down here. What shape could I make using those two shapes? Be very careful because they're trying to trick you here. Use your imagination and either put them together or move them around. Once you figured out which one you want, color it in and answer on the line. Number 3. Draw a shape in the box below that could be made using a triangle and a square. Now remember, the shape that you make cannot have any spaces in it. So draw a square and a triangle touching to make a new shape. Number 4. Draw a shape in the box below that could be made using two triangles. Again, there can't be any space in your shape. So draw a shape using two triangles with no spaces. And number 5, name the shapes below. This one, and that one. Now remember, if you cannot spell or don't know how to spell these perfectly, that's okay. Just use your best sounding out, stretch it out, and write the sounds that you hear. If the teacher can't tell what you wrote, she will come and ask you.